By seeing the damage of this broken monastery, and helps me to think more and open up my heart to have this new project. But actually, the best knowledge comes from the problem. The best opportunity comes from the obstacle.
This year the plan a little bit changed. That is difficult. The monks now they don't have room, so sleeping room, anything. This old monks' room. Now they're sleeping in the classroom. They can't, so that's problem.
其实我们是去年就是开始的，但是很多事情没有做好，拆房子啊这些，有很多事情，中间有人不去上课，也有法会，所以迟了一点点时间。
We are all from the different countries and we share different mentalities, different way of thinking, different way of working. So this is a challenge to find the common language, find the common ground.
We are facing some obstacles or problems comes in our life. That's a very good opportunity to grow and to learn and to expand ourselves. Sometimes we have this used to, attached to, and when they change, we are very upset, right? For me, it's very nice to see that in the monastery, the monks, they study about impermanence, how to apply this life. So I think this is really, for me, it's kind of an example to accept the impermanent. So it's changing, and then to see this kind of like apply in your life. Otherwise, we hold on the permanent, and then we resist to the something big change. For this project is we delayed 1 year, so we have tried to be ready to start the funds, and we also want to make it more like professional. Everything try to be kind of like nice and step by step. So we thought maybe delay 1 year is better. So I think in the future we all thinking to plan for kind of like 5 years from now, and every year we try to have 20% of the funds. So this year now we already got the 20%, so that's really good. So from September we want to start the project. This project will benefit for many people in the future to really learn from this our project and really grow. It's benefit for our life, and special it really benefit for the mind to find inner peace.
We are losing our study or maybe practice also something, because we are losing these things to get the better room and better shining hall. That's we are, and now we are just adjusting each other. You know, we feel that it's okay, but we will get the good shining hall and good rooms. So now we are for those. I think now it's okay.
Our common goal is to prevail the Buddhist teaching to the world and the peace as well as peace.
21st century right now, what we needed right now is the most important is the inner peace. So, and that we have kind of like lineage special practice for more than 2,500 years old ancient wisdom. So we have this capacity to share, but we need to have this platform. For example, for the school we have a school, for education we need school, for the hospital for the sick, if we're sick we need hospital. So for all the spiritual practice we need some basis. So from this basis, I hope it will benefit for the many people in the world. So I really want to say thank you for all the supporters, the donors who really support for this project. We already have ready to start for this year. So, and all the supporters, I really want to thank you from my heart. Without all of your support, we cannot have this project, we cannot finish.